Get cold feet. Option A. To become afraid to do something. For example, she got cold feet at the last moment. Throw up the sponge. Option C. To give up. For example, she threw up the sponge after failure. Fly off the handle. Option D. To get angry suddenly. For example, she flew off the handle over a small mistake. Get into a scrape. Option A. To get into trouble. For example, they got into a scrape with the police. Draw a bead upon. Option B. To aim at something. For example, the hunter drew a bead upon the deer. To split hairs. Option C. To argue about small details. For example, lawyers are often accused of splitting hairs to win arguments. To catch a tartar. Option A. To meet an opponent stronger than oneself. For example, the boxer thought the match would be easy, but he caught a tartar in the ring. A tall order. Option B. A task difficult to perform. For example, finishing the project in just 2 days is a tall order for the team. To tempt providence. Option D. To take unnecessary risks. For example, driving fast on a slippery road is really tempting providence. Within an ace of. Option C. Very close to something. For example, he came within an ace of missing the train but managed to jump in just as the doors closed. To pull one's socks up. Option B. To try very hard. For example, the coach told the team to pull their socks up before the final match. To be lost in the clouds. Option B. To be daydreaming. For example, during the meeting, he was lost in the clouds and didn't hear the question. To blow hot and cold. Option A. To change one's attitude or opinion frequently. For example, she blows hot and cold in her relationship, sometimes affectionate and sometimes distant. To beggar's description. Option D. Beyond words to describe. For example, her beauty was so striking it beggared description. All and sundry. Option C. Everyone without exception. For example, she invited all and sundry to the wedding, making it a huge celebration. To accept the gauntlet. Option A. To take up a challenge. For example, she accepted the gauntlet of leading the project despite the difficulties ahead. To foam at the mouth. Option D. To be extremely angry. For example, the manager foamed at the mouth after discovering the team's mistake. To take umbrage. Option A. To feel offended or resentful. For example, the guest took umbrage when he wasn't greeted warmly. To plow the sands. Option B. To waste effort uselessly. For example, without proper planning, their attempts at reform were just plowing the sands. To draw the long bow. Option C. To exaggerate greatly. For example, she accused him of drawing the long bow to impress his friends. To carry off the bell. Option A. To win the prize. For example, his speech carried off the bell, earning him the top award. To be up and doing. Option B. To be active and busy. For example, if you want success, you must be up and doing instead of waiting for luck. To live in clover. Option D. To live in luxury. For example, with his successful business, he's living in clover now. Spick and span. Option C. Very clean and neat. For example, after the maid finished, the house looked spick and span. A sop to Cerberus. Option A. A gift to win favor. For example, he offered a sop to Cerberus by making small concessions to avoid bigger conflicts.